I finally got some time to make a video of the Nest front door camera, and you can see that the shims that I made right in here work perfectly. What I'll do is I'm going to show you the before and after view that the position of the camera or the Nest camera had, which was the stock shim didn't give it enough angle. Now that camera view wasn't capturing our outside front area of my house, so what I did was I had to 3D print a couple of shims, and I'm going to show those to you. What happened was the first shim didn't angle the camera enough to give it our view that we wanted, so I had to 3D print another shim. So these are actually one shim that has a very heavy angle, and then the stock shim that comes with the Nest camera. And comparison, you'll see it here in this photo. Shows the actual new view, which is just about 45 degrees to the view of our front door, which is perfect. But this was 3D printed. The shim was 3D printed in PETG. And works perfect.